Well, go on, guys. Don't know your girl Tia. Me represent the JAMMIWOOD Entertainment, right? Y'all know Christmas will come up. I ask you please, if you can subscribe, right? We are trying to reach 100k subscribers, so we at least need about 6,500 more subscribers, right? So asking a friend to tell a friend, to tell another friend or a neighbor, everybody for subscribe. Alright, and check out this new movie, and we have a lot more coming. Big up on yourself.
Taking time and put in it. Hurry up, man, you're late. Hurry up, man, hurry up.
I just see badge me, I go collect, you know.
I don't care, hurry up, it must be present, it must be early. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm gonna understand.
Anyways, I see when me, if I'm gonna pick up a badge or something, you know, say me an official police, I know.
Yes, you run things.
No, me run things. Anyways, you see when me collect that the badge, you know, say, and then look at thing, and then look at party, you know, police come out, you just call me and me and feel
right.
That.
So other than the cops, I'm working for car.
I don't work, me and go.
Hurry up, me no business. Yeah, police, you must just elegant. You must just elegant. See, and when I get work, I get paid. I saw no cops. And so no jeans pants. I mean, that's not what you're
No,
I saw. Make everything go on knife foot. I work here, they go. Move a quarter of the house, no be late. What you are doing so long, pan? You left you fire your back, you know.
Alright, ready.
Go call me friend. Come over your county for chat business. Girl. What one, you good? Girl, come link me, I have good news to tell you. Yeah man, hurry up. Alright. I'll wait for now. Girl! Yeah. What you doing? I'm calling for. Girl? I have big news, girl. You remember how we used to go to a party and police come lock off and forgot we had? That cut out now. My man turned police.
So, through your man turned police, that I got cut out?
Yes. If we go to a party and the police them come and go and say they want to lock it off, he can come and not make them lock it off because I'm a police. We can't go to a party, we can't go anywhere. Any boy lives to party, we can lick them down and get right.
No, I think so that possible.
Yes, I say my police.
If he do it, then probably losing job, you know.
No, he not losing job, so. He not losing job, so. I live on the road, I would bust up on one girl feet.
No. You know what, so. You know, so me don't want nobody to come up for me. But you know, why you want the man to go for you? You losing job, you losing life.
He not losing job, man, life if you be a good liar.
A bad cop, you want him be no good cop, bad cop.
Yeah. So if we can't get to do things, I if no girl this mirror just does that.
And call your man.
And call him and cover it up clean. I'm not fret now, worry. Go on my bed and sleep comfortable. No fret, nothing. So we're going to party Friday.
Which party?
We want to up the road, best of
Up away.
We want to party going up the road up at Stacy yard.
Oh, you know me remember about the party there?
Good. Remember about how we go in?
So that means I have to go buy clothes.
Yes, girl, me to go buy clothes and we go buy clothes and everything.
I have to go do all of that.
I have to do my head in the second of my bike and brush up this and just fix up here and ready.
Well, I have to do my hair.
Well, do you hear everything? It's not so we got a party. And if we see all the girl, Shakira and I party with that this with the last time, we can bust up our face because my man a police. Yeah. Bust up a girl face because my man a police now.
All the Shakira in her face.
Yes, we look her in her face and blood up here without to worry, not to fret. Call me policeman. I said, for yourself, you know if you get down, get yourself one soldier man so you can boo the people them. Yeah. you want to man now? Can be the police man.
Get one liar. Can't tell like good.
Get two of them then.
Why you not get two man?
Because me not have the body to take two man. You have the body to take two man. You see me maga?
This thing.
Me not take two man. What no other this thing? You have the body to take two man. Me can't take two man. Me very much maga.
Why not take one today and then not take no more till Saturday?
No, that carrot. You see, you know, you get to for them one time.
Okay.
That's how you feel do it.
Alright.
One soda man and one liar man.
Yes. I want doctor, I want nurse too.
Yes, take
I
one
want
of them.
physician.
Take every one last one of them. See a good difference.
Yeah, me good. Me just. So that you really call me over here
Yes,
for?
but I like if you could leave now, because that makes me fine. You can't go here now. Me have things to leave.
I have a great man to come at a party there with you.
No, girl,
I make Shakira bully and beat you.
No, she can't go and beat me, man, a police. Man, a top notch man now. Man, a big dog. Him run things that run him. Right. My police. Let's take this thing for. Me and some girls in the streets.
I don't know about it. Where say this? You don't say simply want to link to man. Link woman here for work. Where you want to link woman for now? Just want to show him a badge and make him say bad boy, you know what I'm saying? Slow down work now. Because watch you now. Remember, you know, you get the badge now and you think officially a police officer now in the bad dog. So you know. You know say I got up there. No, you see that the man don't have no seatbelt now. I chat we when I do your work and you see it. Listen to me I say bad dog. You see you're official now. When you go home look more, you can make your wife see that my youth. Remember say I your first day in a training at the pan now, you know. True. So we have to go do some patrol and in a bad dog. You so much car pass and some man not seatbelt. I go if you go out and tap them. True, they are come. How long you spend up here yard? Good as you a long time when I tap the boy. You must see him again, no worry himself. Come in, how what with person? Yo, watch it up. Remember when I have to go in here, babes! I'm going to say we can't really leave the place so long in there. Yeah, man, shoot. Yo, you know how much money we could have made on your first day? You know how much money I have? Come here, babes. Go and go talk. Come here. I'll go on. Babes.
Where's him?
Sure, I'll go on.
You get the badge.
Take that with the people in badge. Anyways, I'm bridging the pan work still, you know.
Oh.
You know, I can't have time to just come to show you. No badge. So where they are, see if we can lick two food that for some of them boy pan work. Because a couple people could get a couple money and like, you know. But that's true, I say I can't show like that. You see me?
You just get the badge and the bad things are.
And the bad things. A good thing, and where we work, we tap two seatbelt.
Well, me want you know sometimes me go on the road. And no girl this me a bust a girl face. Awa.
No, man, I used to know what this is. I go check for my order. But anyways, where they are selling?
Me I say, my girl that bully me up the road, but she want to beat me up, I go bust up her face when I got the party Friday. And I got the party Friday, I bust up her face. More call you so you can defend. You hear? Me a chat to your boy.
Yeah. Remember somebody on training. But listen,
that not
listen, you can't. You see this here?
No, you got the badge.
Listen.
How did you get a rifle?
Wait a man. You know, register this. Listen, look, you know. You see this?
Oh, my papi up,
I see this now, so we put here so I'm going to go up on the road, me and the police. You see, I'm going to go some pants and put on the back, and they're on the road. But listen to me now. You see, this here, I make you fool. Not because we have this, you have the bad things. You cannot do
me have it in my mind a long time.
You can't take advantage of the badge. You understand?
Me don't take advantage of the badge, me take advantage of you.
You think you make me lose my work, me just...
You not lose, you work to be a professional liar.
But watch you know.
Bad boy. Sorry for disturbance. Remember say I your first day and I cheered you.
Yeah man. So me a forward man.
We have to do it right and now here.
Remember to be a liar.
Listen man.
You know chat?
I'm a boy this man. I'm a boy but we just have to go up and work go do right thing. You see me?
So you have a man too?
Yeah man.
So I ask man out there.
So like how you did the force, right? If your woman go bust up on girl, if you not come up for your woman.
Well, to tell you the truth now, depends. Depends.
Depends, isn't it?
Because in a certain case, I can lose my job. Not true, my woman knows say, me have power in a certain thing, she go do certain things and match up to.
So that mean you forgot no
Be a
late night.
professional.
We don't come back on the time.
Little more. Make sure you
We have work to do.
Oh, that is I am left pregnant.
After you bust some people want to run over your thing, you know. Some people want to take over your thing. You look at me, I bust you and you are going to build things. So you want to run the business and you want to take me how time. And I'm my son, and I'm my neighbor, and my brother, my cousin. But when you show you out away, them fees them to take over everything. Nothing left for you.
You know, so I think, but let me say me come contact you boy. Me see you like a police, you know, like a hot foot police there.
Oh.
Me see you.
But you want to say more run off a party for me to security?
Yeah, see like a shot.
Yeah. Me about him, man. Me say I keep down with left, right, and center for chat team. Whoop.
Me see man, he say I can't give you a link in the evening, so you can look for him anytime soon.
Oh, yeah, man, a good vibration, man.
So, I'm trying to speak of the devil.
So, what one?
Yeah, man.
You're police or you're chopper?
Why?
You look like you're chopper and you're police. Anyway, I'm in name Ireland, right? I'm running off a place. I hold up a young bus out of the area. Hold up a good me do. You know what I mean? Hold up a people. You know what I mean? Under the umbrella. But you sleep under the cellar. I make them start live life when a regular. Right? Me I keep a party now. A big dance. Black off the whole of the street. Event. Celebration. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD birthday. Right? So we go have a big stage. I've been bridging them for a long time. I'll do this stage. Them I'll do this staging. Colors. You understand? Them have the whole of the network, the whole of the light, they will think of fire in there. We will decorate the place. On the stage now, we don't want certain people. The wifey, go show you who we don't want up on the stage. Because some people that try size up, we not fight now you can rise up, but don't have to pay them dues. You just me pay everywhere, but you have to take some time. Me don't want you come like run up, some to run up. You understand? Them a run up, them now give no respect. Them a back and belly rat. Them a smile with you, but round the corner them a say yeah, this and yeah, that. But when they see them a say yeah, look up to you know father. Father where? Me don't know your man. Me don't want none of them come father me. You understand? So me want them come off of the stage. See who we are put up stage that who really deserve it. People perception is different. People perception is different because they don't know facts. Van grape. How we are do it? Right? And for we are do it the right way. Procedure. I never jump up so I'm in Ireland. Overnight. Me used to do farming first. I like me to tell babes.
I'm not lying.
We come back here.
Funny farm.
Bunny farm.
A country.
And bag of things going on the farm. Because we know they are farm food. Right? We are farm food. So here we know. We're there in the environment now. Get some of your boy them who understand it. And if a boy this and me say kick him down, tell him. Maridana.
Yes.
Alright. You know what I want. Nobody can test it. Anyway. Give him a birthday. Give him money. Fella, go to the office there. I go back to Carla now. Yo! Better Packer! Yeah man, we know so now well yeah, I want to end that a party, you know. The party are gonna be top shelf. Me talk about how much thousand people. Drop money on my foot. Drop money on my foot and me promote on the product on the bandana, all on the thing them. Send out some girls. Me have some back girls, you know. Me have some topless, some bottomless girl, we know you know, some real crazy girl. Me have some freaky one too, but not people. No, go to somebody. None them, not the party there. No freak off. Nothing like that. Not in Jamaica. Yeah, you know. We can't do too much talking now. Can't do too much talking now. We have to focus on a party. You hear me? Me have focus on this party. I'm get a party out of the way first. Yeah, man. Jamaica, me there, man. We ramp for dinner.
Hello. Hi. You there good? Yeah, I'm good now. I'm just. Oh God, I'm tired. So you could tell me, say, your man get big in the force, Sterling get big tell one big promoter when he am Highland. He might work with a beat up whole heap of people.
I lie here, my man beat up people.
So your man, I mean who and you don't know.
Because the rumors them are spread for my man.
Listen to me, I don't know rumors. Me meet one little John Doe other day.
If I man not tell me.
Girl, me and the man don't know yet, me just meet him.
Oh.
And he kinda in the force as well. And he might tell me what go on. So me want to know how you never tell me that.
Well, me never know that when he come from work, me never ask him to come. I don't know if he beating nobody, so the big person have money.
Why you hear me saying big is thinking rich?
I go to the man
I
go to the man then.
I go to the power with rich people, but I don't
No.
think they work and beat
Probably
people.
he have to beat up rich people. Probably rich man. I pay him to beat up the poor people them. So he can't get money to come mind me. We need to get a better life. We're struggling.
So you're not poor?
Yeah.
You don't want police come beat you up now because you're poor?
Which police can't come beat up me and my man a police? And my man big in the force.
Suppose a man never know police.
Nobody couldn't beat me up. I want a bad man from day one. I sign of the force. Right. So you must know.
No.
Don't worry about my man and what my man do a road. Watch your man and your business.
Listen me, I know my money yet.
Oh. You watch you and the people man them business. No,
Yeah,
my man.
people man I don't want no man for myself.
Good,
Man nice.
no man for yourself.
Man nice.
It's not that I don't. It's not that I don't want none, you know. It's that I cannot get any.
Why?
I get I can't get. No.
Why? And how you sure you're a man when you have a few?
I'm my man.
Oh, you so sure?
Because I'm locking head. Me have my head twist up. You know about that. Me have my ways over like a boy. I don't care.
Police, good one, so
Hello. First of all, me know all a fame background. All a fame background, me know. Say any day him sleep, me put him in the dirt.
You
me
cannot
bury him.
swear for man.
Me not swear for him.
Then what I do?
Me a half swear for him.
You half swear?
Yes, me know why me do, you know. But me still a swear for him and my man.
So you say no other girl?
No.
Are you sure about that?
100% sure, guarantee. Put me head on the block of my man.
Make sure you're not shame.
Me not shame. And anyhow you shame me, murder him.
Yeah, and you shame me murder him because you there swear for him like a idiot. And so me know you want your made friend.
Girl.
I'm going to stop calling Kayla. I'm going to start calling your maid.
Listen to me. You could have want to call me Yammed 50 times, that not me feel no way. You must learn for yam for one boy more than go forward for 10 million. You learn for yam for one boy. Yam be a Yammed.
Listen to me. Better me have 10 million man where you give me money more than one me and yam me out. Sorry. Later on me call you.
Don't call a phone back in a man. Right. Boom, me man a beat up people. No go spread their rumors there. Just like you can't tell me, we go tell people. For like I wanna. Bit like why I come here, me and him.
Baby.
Don't walk on me. Do not walk on me. You flex that something you want to tell me.
What me tell her? Oh, you want me to tell her to make me get my post again? I must have done me tell her say.
How me here say you the on the road? I follow some bad company. They beat up the poor people. They beat up some people. They got people that go box up and kick down people. What me say doing something there?
Listen, man. You know what I say? You're Babylon now. You see me? So you know, say like come in at the Babylon institution. Some man have to get beat up. Some people have to get beat up, but no manners, some of them not know.
Not because of them are the force, that mean to say you have all rights
you know
for the beat up people. Me not get no rights for that. They shall fist in your mouth.
Shut up before me have a boxing and fear your mouth. No.
Boxing for mouth.
I mean, have to beat
hello,
up you now.
don't make that badge fool you. You say me not make you fool me, mind to fool you.
Listen to me. Listen to me, girl. Me I talk to you. Which man me say don't you rather chat to?
And because me they chat to.
Listen, I don't want you to talk to no man. Neither your cousin, neither your brother.
Stop it. Stop it.
To no man.
Must be my father.
Alright, you see this here? I'm going to use it. You
hello,
understand?
my friend, I'm a face.
So I don't know you come talk about. Listen, you see from me start power with Highland, big promoter, anything him say goes. Say if he say lick the boy in your face, lick the boy in your face. If he say lick in your face, lick in your face too. You come chat about. You come chat about.
Our God say goes.
Listen
oh,
to me.
get that in your head.
My girl, a long time ago.
You don't chat.
You see all of them.
So are they going to the force for? Are they going there for? You are wrong. If you're going to force it, protect people. You're not protect nobody. No.
Protect him. Protect other people from him.
He is a bad influence. You cannot do that. God not like that. You are that part judgment here. God not like that.
My money higher when I go in there, isn't it?
And that's why. Oh, you know his money and catch me. You say anything, you say anything why I say. You have to do, you go do the truth. You say box somebody, you go back somebody, not sure. Say if you do something to one man back, you go do it.
What? Why? My girl, don't talk to me in box.
You say everything why I say you have to do, you do.
I mean, I get chat, give me. Don't give me no chat, man. Me I talk to you. Listen what me I say. You come chat up your mouth like say.
Listen, don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand on.
Look. What did he say? What did he say?
Police officer.
Alright. Have respect. Me have a squaddy.
Yeah? Your time will come.
You want to come talk down to me. How you feel like?
Your time will come.
If me no box and kick them boy there and thump them boy there on your face, how me get money?
What you better do? Don't put your hand on me.
How are you going to do about it?
Are the gun didn't get it for you?
You know about my gun. Because if I dry it, people go dead. And I don't want you to be the first one. You hear me? So make me do my work peacefully and call me look how thumb change me I get and enjoy life.
You see when the higher land they are fire land, whatever that man they want name, put it in one deep batty hole and you can't come out, don't run come to me. Do not run come to me because you're not here. You're moving
about the batty argument they say. You come and come talk.
I said stop put your hand on me now brother.
Do not talk to me.
Me not talk to you, put your hand on me. Me and your daughter. You don't have no picnic, don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand
I am sorry, baby.
I am sorry, baby. Don't put your hand on me.
Just be careful. Shut up your mouth, man. Go and cook something. Make it feel like how you feel like? Go on, man. You can't say that. I'm a squaddy girl. I'll be back. Hey. I'll be run things, not things around me.
Babes, I have a feeling I say, go. And then the other feelings I say, no go. You know, so me feel like me never want to go now with door.
I'm sorry, I have to go and show my face.
You have to go and show your face? Why?
I'm going to say then the Monday I and I'm going to say them I show my business.
I understand what you say, B. Yeah, we know so them man negative.
So I'm rich like that Monday I business same way. So I'm rich like that Monday.
Yeah, B, but feelings are something enough for them now tonight, you know.
So let's get up and come on.
You see what me talk about, babes? No. You see what me talk about? Me tell us that me never want to go no way. And see dirty Ireland come make him man then cause he must see fish or something make him man then come wine back at me. And no say he did it.
Just play for I can talk about that tomorrow. Let's just get some rest.
Babes, we not like what go on last night, you know. You look idiot man come back and me and come wind up for me. And you did it.
Let me say, I don't know what going.
Anyways, you know say island people them.
You want to know say, really, I made and thing, I don't know what going still.
Because you have to go do something about it, you know. It's like you go call look idiot boy island and do something about it.
You go call him. Right, you know what going front up, you know?
Yes.
You man, I was going to a party last night. You know, something like what you do still. You know, say I'm a woman. You know, say I have to move friends to that, you see me? I'm done the video, you see it? That's why just come out from front, you know, say I feel good, you see me?
Yes, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna no lie. I like how you're angry, you know. But you're not angry, how me the wife you're angry. But anyways, babes. I'll go up on the road, get something and come back.
Let's do it and come back.
Yeah. But I can't know woman in there, you know.
No, something I did, I want to know things security. Alright. Let's do it and come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, stop up your scream, guys. Hey, wait, you can't send more money gun. No, send more wheel. Yeah. Stop up your scream, guys. Hi, Teresa, how are you?
Dog, you know, so I had a good thing going last night, you see me? And the boy violated, you see me? But I'm not feeling like them boy, they still, you see me, dog? You know, so I want that time when we catch him back in there, so you see me, dog? Yeah, man. I know, so next time I violate a different thing, you see me?
Hold him. Hey boy. Come on, boy.
I can't violate man.
Let go, me man.
Easy yourself. Hey, girl. I can't violate man, boss.
Kill a boy. We should come back, the guys. Me take a break. We should come back on live.
Hey,
Wally. Hey boy. Let me come on that so you know.
come on, that chance.
Relax yourself.
I can't let you man boss back on phone, boy. Yeah, idiot. Him boy. Yeah, idiot.
I'm missing. Lay down there somewhere.
Get up.
Hey boy. Hey boy. We killing you.
I can't let you man boss talk on phone, you. Eh?
Relax.
Broke the girl hand. Broke her hand.
Hey girl, relax yourself.
Boss talk on phone.
Hey.
You. Eh?
Wally, come.
Hey, girl.
Hey girl.
Come here, Come here.
Maybe I come on, we can't go to sleep.
Kill a man down.
Running for me man and a beating. I'm run going there because I have to defend my man. I couldn't make them beat him.
So when them do beat you instead?
The idiot police take it gonna lick me on my hand.
So suppose let me shock you. Let me ask you a question. You know the police?
No, I don't know them police there. I know the Ireland city up.
Exactly. Them police are them big and bad. They work with Ireland. So I don't know how they come and teach your man and don't know your man but something to you. Are you there to be? So where you go?
I defend my man.
So where you go?
No time to go get my hand started out when I back up place.
Oh, so sit your hand. Alright. Just so. But I take the food coming and sit on this. We have squeeze out my daylight. You can put that aside. We'll sit on that so.
What no? You're good?
I have mixed up with a people business.
I never mix up that. So many people business good, girl. Tell me.
For your business.
I have no business here, tell me. We know my own business.
So you're not here or going?
What go on with them yard? Phone all dead. Make it up.
So you're not here so Ireland send your man go beat up Amaya and CJ?
I like your thing. My man do them there's something there. Tap paint a bad picture for my man.
Yes, you know, I'm noticing them, I'm going to show you the proof. And so I'm noticing the anytime I come over here and say something to you about your man, you probably can't tell about me and like me. You know, like, no, look here, I would that.
What no, my man that?
People that where your man no see and video this and have it on social media over one place.
So we ain't gonna do that.
Man have bad Ireland. Me not tell you say my part with Ireland, the rich man, the head for them.
Me say, me want him in the house the day. And what I do? Me bad up me and want lick me down and keep my face. That's what I want to do. Me talk to me now and he not here. Now we get not deep back the whole. I mean not help him and what he involved me in. I don't care about it. No, I'm not helping him. I don't care about it.
So your man?
No longer my man. A Highland man. So anything a Highland tell you do, he do it. If he say back, he go rough.
So Alana, me ask a question. One day when they nearly kill me, chase me out your house, so come tell me about how. Are you a man? Are you swear? You half swear for your man and this and that. What happened now?
A backfire pan.
You bugger, you how good. Me they tell you. I know that move me. Me they tell you. Me and your friend.
Man to come beat you.
Me, what?
Oh.
You don't see how me look? You think your man can cross me? And when the police, me kick that down flat ground. You know, you hear the new song? Lick down police ground, you hear?
You lucky. Lick him down. I'm not busy about him, I'm not busy about what I want to do. He's no longer my responsibility. You're lucky.
You know what? Me I come back by here before me come. Because them are going to kill him per road and then
I don't care.
You them will come be.
You see, I'm chatting to the boy, you know, you want to make people black mommy, I can't shame me. Waiting him coming here.
I'll go on now, babes.
No! Because you tell me serious. He get some bad tours. But you can't imagine, say, you want people in yard or beat them up. Who get the answer to go do that?
You sleep on that?
I told them hear about it. Me tell the people that come to me and they tell me, say, your man a do this, your man a do that. Your man this, your man that. Hey, why you idiot?
What do you mean, man? I'm a job me I do.
Hello! You never get higher if you do that. The way you get was to come on the roadside and save them a speed or who they transport drugs in a them car back.
Listen,
that was the job you get to do. No, if you got people, you got to beat up people and back on people.
Listen, me I work in Ireland and if the man say do something, me have to do it. You understand?
It's wrong. It's all over social media. That's not work.
So
You're wrong.
I'm famous now. I'm going something there.
You don't famous as a dog. You beat out female.
No,
you're supposed to put your hand on a woman.
Listen now, Ireland say yo, go some hands and rush CJ, you see me, and I run up, so me just press him to and he hand nearly
You
up.
can't do that.
I'm a job, you understand?
That's not your job. You have to tap that boy. You have to tap that boy.
Listen, you come between me and my work now. You can't come between me and my work. My job is my job, you is you, me is me.
Yeah, idiot. I'm here, you defend day one.
Yes.
You're gonna make some little rich boy And money buy you out. They take money and buy you out.
Buy out. I'm a job me, do you understand?
That's not your job. You got the people and go beat them up.
Listen.
Who does you got CJ yard?
Listen.
What you and CJ have?
Listen, man.
What you and CJ have?
Listen. If me not do what me I was told, and then it come to when me lose more, you go mind me. Mind me.
I never hire land hire you.
It
was the government, not him.
Listen, I head for me, you see me? I big head. So me have to work with me.
You want so sense me head?
How you do?
If you call your mother.
You forgot who me be?
Hello.
You forgot who me
is
work.
Bob.
You forgot who me at work.
This not mean nothing. Being a police don't mean nothing at all. Yes or nobody.
My girl, listen to me.
Don't make the badge fool you. Don't make the weapon fool you.
You know what? Somebody out the road know me.
You know you as a woman beater and a man beat. No, they don't respect you. Afraid of you. Afraid of you. Afraid and respect are two different things. Two different things.
Listen to me.
If I drop on the road, nobody not pick up you,
What do you mean?
Nobody not go pick up you.
If me drop on road right now, I'm still can't say, yo, you gotta take me up in the road. Everybody take me up and go to my hospital. What you talking about?
Yeah, idiot.
What you talking about?
I raise your last couple of scripts since you're going to the police thing. Your last couple of school them.
Listen on.
Me need to talk to your boss, because you need to let you go. You need to get fired for another work. You don't have no sense to fool.
So if you talk to my boss, higher than my boss, so we expect, what you think?
Higher is not your boss. The government is your boss. You don't work for him, you work for the police.
And him, me I work with. So anything him say, go.
What you and CJ have?
Me and CJ now have nothing. You might higher than have some higher than say, me go deal with it. So me go deal with it.
Why you and the female? Why you and mine?
Yeah, me and she has some cause she a try to rush me when me a rush for her man, you know.
She a defend her man.
So me not defend myself. Suppose she there and come and tab me up.
You like if somebody go back to your mother?
Nobody can box up mother, can
Who tell you that? Just like you're gonna want man yard and fight him. Example, say somebody come and fight your father, your mother jump there and go defend him. Yeah. And then back to the mother, gonna like that?
Me go boxing down back. My girl, you know why I did my argument with you again. So listen, I go up on the road. Come over there.
Don't come back here, I'll have to
go to the line. I'm not going to
me can't do it, that hurt me. Me never cook no. Me that hurt me, tell you that you know.
You see, if you continue with the foolishness, you're going to be a my ass.
You're just a ruin the life. Me tell you that you know, I don't know how to pick up from there first. I can't take this thing no more, I'm stressed out and tired. So what this boy, man? I tell you the truth, you know. I can't blow them a lifestyle. I can't tell them a lifestyle no more. You understand? You see, you and your bad man, thing. Me can't work, so I left me a left.
So you don't go on, man. You don't go on because me don't tell you I'm going to say if you want to go on, you go on for me for the cane of face.
I left me a left. I met to see you.
Go on.
You see, when that day they come, when them a strike your back, you will see what take place. I go. Be right, I'm not with you and take no batteration from you. You're going to get too much bad man. I'm going to that.
Man, 100 girl, me I get me a bubble and I see what I go on. How that?
Stay there, ask how that.
Oh, auntie, wow.
I never come here. I don't want to come in there, so this is a hot. This is a road.
Oh.
When I just been in a van, I catch cold enough. What are you doing at this?
Oh,
yeah, what?
Police. I'm going to get on and come off get some food and some food.
For a long time, I don't see a hide man.
Yeah.
Then me nephew. You couldn't tell me say a police.
I told them.
Anyway, we soon talk about the police part. Your name Stinker Road. I want to go on. I don't know what they go on. I want to hear say happen. I
must see look thing I go and I say me beat up people are real awesome. But I'm more me I didn't have to understand. Me I work with, you know.
Me I wonder if when me hear a road match up to what you say. Because you see if you're police, you have to act professional. Not because you have the pipe and the tutu and your button. You have to abuse people. If you're police, make sure say when them are train you, then teach you to protect and serve. They not teach you to go abuse people. That's not right. That's why so much conflict they go on in our country. That's why police hate civilians and civilians hate police, because guess what? No justice not there in the country. And you see, you know me nephew, me no want you follow the other people them where you do wrong. You understand? You go in the force, as me tell you, if you protect and serve. You go work, yes, and you work if you do. You go work for people respect you. Me not say if you go out there so as a police to people disrespect you, but you have to know if you deal with situations at certain times. And of everything to because you have your pipe and your tutu, you go jump up and bow bow bow. You can't do that. Eh?
I just show no you girl that me also no matter about my go. So me tell you something go on. Come here.
You know what? Listen when me have to say you're going for woman argument. Where are the girl have now?
No, at the same thing every minute me come in. Yeah, so me beat up different somebody.
We can't they do them something there. You can't just see people like same thing me I talk to you about. You need to listen when me I say now. You have to work and think positive. You have to work and focus on your job, your life and your family and your kids them. You understand what I say? Remember say you know, when you're in your uniform, you know, whether you like it or not, you know, this is reality, you know, my youth. You're my only nephew, you know. I'm going to talk to you if you don't listen to me, you know, not because you reach certain age of fees, you can't listen to me again, you know. Listen what me I say. Your work is to protect and serve. You shouldn't even make me have to tell you that because you don't know already. But enough time you don't know anything and still I go the other way. Listen what make enough of them drop out of their job because they not do what they train them or teach them to do. As a police and you go there, so you have to act professional. People respect you their way there. That don't mean say you're not for when you see certain things I get out of control, you're not for whatever you know. But don't overdo it. Like you want to disrespect people and tell them anything and beat them up and gun butt them and then something there. No.
You understand?
You have to know if you caution them. When you make an arrest, you have to know if you caution people. You have to know if you apprehend them. Remember, say you know the thing you know me nephew. You have to know if you write case file and do it properly because the judge will look on your Z there too. You understand me I say? And do me nephew. Do. Not tell no lie for no civilian.
No, sir.
No lock them up for things where they not do. Make sure say you lock them up for things where they do. That means say they can't say you tell lie on them. Come in and tell no lie now. You see when you tell lie on people and lock them up for nothing at all. Then we hope you know.
Me know man, me know system work.
Then we hope you. Me I tell you real science will reach you. So guess what? You see meanwhile you do your job before you left your yard. A matter of fact, pray before you go out there. Ask God to teach you how to deal with people out there. And ask him to make the people them out there know how to deal with you. You hear what I say? Because when you hear out the road about you know, you know sound pretty, you know. And you know to make nobody feel like you is a threat to them. Do your job professional. You understand? A professional. No make nobody come feel like they can style you and do not style nobody. Do your thing the right way, you hear me?
Yeah.
I just that me come to talk to you about because you're my only nephew and me no want nobody do you nothing and when me look me say you know there again. I mean no want you do anybody anything. And call for if it is necessary where a certain circumstances make you have to do certain things, well fine, me understand. But do not abuse people and call for. You hear me?
The man have to understand.
Do tap no put your hand on people. Right. Because when you're in your uniform, you know, and you're in your plain clothes, you know, I see people them you meet out the road, you know. I see people them you figure face, you know, and you don't know who can come attack you, you know. Whether you like it or not, it is the truth. Uniform make people feel safe, red. Pie make some of them feel like I say they're more than people and are poor. You swinter, you know how your pipe in a uniform is the same people them you have to go out there so go deal with. Some of them you don't even know them but they know you. You understand me? Yeah. Be careful of what you do. Do your job the way or you're trained to do it. Don't overdo it. So sorry for you. Alright.
Everything good, sir?
Yeah man, everything good man.
Like I deal with the youth last night because them too bright. I want to chat behind them back, you know.
Yeah, all when me did I fix him up in still there and one bag of chatting.
But anyway, check the secretary. Me left a package here. Yeah. You know what I said? I have something to do because I fly out. Now I'm a woman I fly but leave this and come back. Me have some things to deal with when I touch back. But yeah, my number still. Can you reply with the same number? You understand?
So me a link.
Link and collect that. Yeah.
Right, see if we can get more food on it. That's what can. Right, let's go.
Squaddy,
Yo!
you not ready yet, man?
Ready, man, me a forward, man, me a forward. Ready, man.
Come on, man.
Ready. How is it?
How on?
Man, I want my man squad, man, can't move.
What do you mean a hand can't move?
Man,
Move your
can't
hand,
move,
man.
What you mean move my hand?
What do you mean a hand can't move?
Yes, my hand can't move, because I don't know what to want.
Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
no, what's up?
Your head now?
Me that kill my man squad, me that kill him, man.
Who me can call for you?
They can call me and give me the number.
Give me a number.
217
217
7355.
7355.
Pull back here, pull back here, pull back here.
Come, go on in, go on in. Hello? Hello? Yeah, you hear me? Your nephew, man. Something wrong with him. I don't know what wrong with him. Alright, come right now, right now. Oh, dude. So if I saw this on your hand, I'm joking this man.
Not who can feel nothing what I eat.
You not feel this?
I don't feel nothing.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna look if your auntie a come.
How you feel now?
Me not kill no man.
No life in it.
No my hand, listen.
Your hand?
Yeah, you just drop some me and put it.
I wonder what. You put it there.
Jesus Christ. Go on with him, yeah, I put all up the door and come back and you.
You know, like the infant girl.
No. But yes, big and serious now. You gonna marry me for true?
We're going to marry there now, but you're so going with the party what day. So everything good, man. Them a bash up on the media. We're going to marry the Jamaica. Right? We're fly out of this. The phone ring. The phone ring? The pass me, the pan silent. Burn it down. Yeah, man. Yeah, first me I hear that, man. And now move. And when that? Where you go to then? You just check me for your money. And bring God to the doctor. Let me know where I go on. Because I have a mission thing up on differently after that, you know. Alright. You know, say, are the police you that? Yeah, man. They when I move.
Serious, man.
Not serious. I think somebody tell sleep bad and you know moving up. But I think that take her money. When the girl come, it's quite the girl come, you give her, yeah? Alright. But I'm going to want to meet her with some corporate people, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. They should all come. Hello, Jamaica. Paul Farm. Yeah, man. Yep. Yes. It's nice to do business with you, right? We go make my secretary contact you back and then we take it from there, so. Yeah, we play two damn one at a time too, you know. Yeah, man, we play two damn one at a time, man. Alright, we can do that then. Alright? Yeah, man. Bless it. Actually, my boy, this year. Yeah, what going? Man, they on a call a while ago, man. Yeah, man. It's a call, man, depend. Yeah, me I do some work down here, man. Yeah, this is work. Yeah, man, a youth building some cupboard in our new room. Guys have to do it, you know, man. Guys have to build. Have to build a solid empire. You know where you go? Yeah, man, we'll link up at the studio. We'll link up at the studio. Yeah, me make sure that. Later, bro.
Can't believe. Jesus God, me can't believe what the doctor say. The doctor say him no know what do your hand. How the doctor, we are professional, they study medical and they sitting there. If you don't know what happened to your hand. So the doctor said, me don't know if I did. They listen, when you come out of the room, me did ask the doctor if he can prescribe something for you, if he ease off little of the pain. Him say, him don't know what they are, so him can't give me no prescription.
Anytime I make someone in a smoke, I have to buy a ring and marry you.
That's nice. So how comes me the best woman in the world now?
And the boy didn't get beat me now, so could I run this to with 10 up and 5 feet.
So I'm have to defend my man. Eh? And who you did date before when I defend you?
You?
Huh? Who you did date before when I defend you?
Am I? Evening.
Oh, go on, girlie.
You can come in?
Yeah, man, I can come. Just sweep at the door or something. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Hannah, so.
You can come on, you know. Can me get some for up, money.
Are you good? Yes, it's very good. I sweep it up and about. So, you're not hearing nothing more, wow. You're not going to report the youth.
Girl, what me a reporting for? When Dirty Island I work with the police them.
Well?
Eh? That makes sense?
Oh, yeah, the boy.
Even if you're reporting, right? Nothing now go come out tight. Wrong, I'm right.
Alright, what I want to go.
Okay. So me do body. I want to know me do body.
So
Me make, oh, you mean? We make free people that were there center must walk on him. You understand the walk what me I talk about?
okay.
What?
Not tell lies.
Fling up your pan him, what you talk about? Please, leave me talk long, you go hear about it. Know yourself.
But check me there, check for you for good still or...
Good man. So to you love people business, no slippers in here.
No, me can't come in your house with my slippers. So my slippers right there, so.
Oh.
Let's go.
Alright, later. So be alright. You're not hungry. Are you good?
Yeah.
Please, Mama, me can't move. must have help me.
You alright now?
Yeah, you're right.
She's not there. She's not here.
Bagwan! Oh, what mom? Yo, where
You
Chris?
feel sick, you cannot do that. You feel sick. Eh?
No. Okay, let me come over here to tell you some mix up. What are you doing?
You know what I'm saying? No, I'm not touching that today. Make him stay because, you know what I'm saying? Sick, though. Real sick. Sick, bad.
You know,
But
oh,
you can give me a message to get care of.
I think I better get a message. You know people that want beat up? He beat up that Amaya CJ man. Over one, me send me the over the place over the super me TikTok live one day, other day. I'm here, whoop. So me end the live and run go peep through one window. And him and one big fat police girl me see a beat up Amaya CJ. So I licking give them. So me now since that now through you know some enough I'm scared. Me go over there and I check on my house on my cause she said she had something wrong with her hand. It's even because she did a doctor the afterwards the police after him and the police get gone. So when me go over there this evening go check them and I say police boy better not worry himself, he for himself, he very good. He tell one of the family members them for work on serious science on him. What me name was like catch him already. I come over here to tell him to watch out because that's what she said she go do. But it look like he catch him already. So you said to him?
No. Do
He not move.
They seen two hand them. They cannot move. Every day, every night, migraine headache. I don't know if he feels a migraine headache or me a feel so he must say a migraine. But he just have one serious headache. The whole line body weak, him not eat nothing, he sick bad.
Why? If he says catch him already, if you wait a little bit longer, then him go dead for you, you know.
I don't know, so me care man to a doctor.
What we Kayla should have there?
No. If you never know, we and Kayla are friends and you don't know this.
What?
Him and Kayla left.
Jesus Christ.
Kayla not there so don't talk from when.
Kayla feel it him too.
They carry him and go to doctor. Doctor saying can't find the complaint, he don't know what happened to him. We pray for him.
But no, you know what happened to him, can me tell you what happened to him? The girl said, I might say I'm going to make one of her family members them work on him good. And you're like, you catch him already.
You don't look like it. I hit if doctor can't find a complaint where it's sick.
Well,
I hit.
Maybe I tell Kayla if you talk to him cause for me here a company way in and I beat people. Power I see people are kick on people, box on people for no reason at all. There's something right. Karma. Karma catch him.
Let me tell you something. You see if you don't hear no breeze blow about him, I want to hear nothing from him now. You know what I'm saying? I'm gone off I hurt.
So you're not gonna look about him?
No, I'm not really believe in that someday. I pray for him.
You don't believe in it, but see, that he hold him. Yeah, let me come over before you dead for me. You come here and I help me. I help me not over here.
Oh God, look how me warn you. Look how me warn you. Me tell you if you stop abuse people. Do your work professional. Act professional now. Just do it and stop act like a son dumb. Why you act like a dumb? Jesus. You act like some dumb people when you understand or acknowledge the type of work we then choose to do in a real life. Me want you go, me want you come. This is not the first time you see people and beat them up. And you get way. But see there now, you just get knocked. Your goose cook. Right now you get where they don't get. Because see there, your woman Kayla gone left you. Me alone, after they come down here so every minute, they bathe and they do all kind of sitting. Me tired. God knows I'm tired. I can't take it no more. Me pray for you 1,000,000 times. But it look like I say, the wickedness them what you do to people at it reach you. My nephew, I'm sorry for everything that happened to you. But when me pray, if you don't heal, I cannot do nothing about it. Because me not take your care of no science man. Me not take you care of no hobby woman or no hobby man. I'm sorry about everything here. You see everything what happened to you? Don't worry about it. You'll get better. I'm going to go over the people in the yard and talk to them and see if they can forgive you and make this thing leave you. Because if them not forgive you, you know, sorry for you, you know. So anyway, my nephew, I soon come back. I go over there, yeah, I soon come. Jesus Christ, I can't take it. Hello?
Hello.
Can I talk to you for a minute, please? Good evening.
Good evening.
Sorry to hear about the loss of your nephew and you and your boyfriend. I don't know if I explain myself and say this to you, but if you see him, how you look right now, only God knows. How you look right now. But may I ask you, please, may I beg you? May I ask you if you can forgive him? And anything what you want to do to make him sick, may I ask you if you can just take care of him. Because right now, it's like he hand about right now. He have headache, he hand sick, he say he not feel no life in his hand. But may I ask you, please, may I ask you, do me a beg. Just forgive him, please, and just make him get better, please.
That's such Jamaican people stay. You just expect to come right as so and ask for forgiveness. When India lit me on my hand, up to right now, me have face much pain in my hand. You never know, so anybody feel it on my hand. You have a thing named karma. Me and my man don't do nothing. I pray, we pray, and turn him so. Nobody say, come ask him for. Are you set him so? Look how we hand. We hand clean. Anyways, if you forgive him, me I pray say, me want to forgive him now. But here what? He have to come back over here so, and me beat him back on his hand before he can get forgiveness. You understand? So, let me beat him on his hand then before he can get forgiveness.
You know what I'm saying? The way I see him, I don't think he can manage to walk from over here. So, I don't know if you don't believe me. Just, please, may I ask you. Just come with me and let me show you him. And may I ask you, please forgive him. No bother with the fighting again, because you see fighting in our work out and it don't make no sense. It just build up more violence and war in our country. I mean, I really like them something.
You see, they will come with you, you know. But you see him and the people for girl, what gang me man, and then me come in there, me defend me man, and then call and they must broke me little man hand, me go come. Come on, babes.
this where him lives, so I'm going to show you which part. Down here, so.
Are you your house, you know, so are you?
No, I'm not my house. I've been never live here, so you know. But show me never please say I'm my.
Yeah, but you first go in.
Alright, so same here, may I also please pretend to forgive you. I'm sorry about everything as me tell you before. I'm sick bad. None of your hand them can move. Be a migraine headache. I don't know what to do. I carry my doctor. It now work out. Sorry about everything. I'm sorry. I don't know me do it. I'm sorry.
Look at God's work. I'm not come over here to talk stills because you don't look good at all.
I'm really sorry, but I don't know what come over me. I don't know what happened. I say to God, I'm really sorry.
Alright, me forgive you. Me forgive you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening, miss.
Thank you very much. Alright. Hello. You see you? You see me warn you? You see me tell us if it talk do them things to people? Me tell us if it act professional? Do your job, you come here to protect and serve. See what you make happen to you now? You are the cause of this will happen to you. Stop put your hand on people. You understand me? You could have deal with the situation better. And so you go. The better you if they won't do anything. Take them, carry them, go to station. Arrest them, whatever, lock them up. Put them in a cell until whenever time you want them come out. But you take over like you are king. You are master. You take over like you are God. And a grown and a abused people. You see it? I come and reach you. I know everybody you see a road you have to play with. I know everybody have soft heart. I know everybody when you do wicked things to I go just take it. And say, me I go pray and ask God to forgive you. I know everybody stays so see there then science your clabo. What me say then do? Science your clabo. Look there. Suppose me then hear what happen and take up people on my head and go ask the people them if you come forgive you. What you think would have really happen to you? Eh? You're that thief tone dead. But you better say thank God. You better when your hand feel better, you better go down on your knee or lay down on the bed there now and pray and ask God to forgive you for the wickedness them the way they grown and they do to people. A long time they do it, you need to stop. Me tired for one, you see next time you put yourself in a situation, don't call me. Do not give nobody my number. Any how you do it again, not give nobody my number. Can you see any you give nobody my number? Eh? As me, Lord Jesus, if you credit down on your phone and you give somebody my number, say call me auntie for me. Me? Nah come nowhere. So now give nobody my number and you personally don't use it and call me if you put yourself in a dem sitting here again call me. Can't take any crisis here. I gone. Can't take it no more. A long time you abuse people through the type of work where you do. You're too damn wicked, man.
Boy, babes. You know, say a man look like a vegetable.
Yeah.
No man, they say me give him a second chance. Me have to go make one call to for me people them. Man, they no look good. Uncle Rango. Remember me call us a final night. Anyways, you see somebody want to set the sin upon him. Want to free him up. Why? Uncle man don't look good at all, uncle. Alright, yeah, just be right. Yeah. Consider it done.
Continue, Auntie. Auntie, are you me a call me? What's up?
Thank you, Jesus. So you never tell God thank you for you to say you feel better?
I call you, me say me a call.
Me see phone a ring when me reach I do you this but me did already there so me number the answer. Wham, you're alright, you're good. Your hand them work.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank God. Move your foot, let me see. Your head stop right there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank God, hello. No put back yourself in and them the problem there again. Do me a beg you. You hear me say? You see where you go through? You see where you go through? Do me the beg you. Not do it again. If you see something that happen anywhere, whether party, church, school, on the road, you don't care for your workplace, you know business, even if I know a tenement there where you live there. Deal with it better. If you feel like I say your temper too much and you can't manage it because you cannot control yourself, call the inspector. What me say if you do, call soup, call them lieutenant, any one of them, whatever they want, call some higher rank, make them go and deal with it. Don't put yourself in it again. You hear me say? Alright, take care of yourself. So, you can go back to work?
Yeah.
What do you say?
They say me can't come back. Me not call them yet. I think me can't go back to work.
You think? You need to call them. Because how much you weak and how long you're there and so sick like a dog and you don't show up people in workplace. You feel say so government work up? They tell us say use this way God give you. A professionally. Okay? Okay. What me say if you do?
A professionally.
You have to say it so? Professionally. A professional.
Yeah.
A tap work like apprentice. That me mean. And stop playing dumb and deal with people properly. You come up with protect and work.
So,
Okay. You gonna me out. Thank God you get better. Thank you, Jesus.
Be to the most I give thanks to life. When we reach to the end of the movie, enough respect, you know what I mean? Thank you enough for do that, you know what I mean? As I say, from JAMMIWOOD, we are trying to go 100k. We just need 7,000 more. Right? And if I get, somebody make me a bet. So if me get 100k before the year done, then go sponsor when I think one supermarket in Jamaica. We don't know which supermarket yet. We'll put it on the map and search it out and then say, and we pick a supermarket and then one lucky subscriber. Could that be old subscriber, new subscriber, go win 1 minute what a shopping spree. They have to drive in a supermarket and take up things in a 1 minute time, thing and take up the person who pay for it. Alright, so that's it. So that is that and that is that. So we there go and hold it off, burn it down to the ground. Big up all of my fans them, big up all of my friends them for a long time, burn it down to the ground. We have make it to one end of one more year. Let's see if we can do it for many more. When you come on in the new year with me, please drive safe, live loving, no cussing us, because I work especially in Jamaica. Do not cuss in Jamaica too much because we are so angry of things that are happening to us, so we might end up hurt our loved one and then next year we regret it. So please do not argue this year, because the pressure we have faced subconsciously is by design. Even in my area, there's a water commission takeover. They must cut off every water, go straight to one end. So I don't want people to start cuss because they're angry and kill each other. Because separation do that. You understand what I mean? In the land of food and water, you can't get water. And the water too expensive. I send it to the leader. Send a clip, cut the clip here, send it to the leader. The water in Jamaica too expensive. The water is free. God go strike, you know. The water is free. Oh, come here, have a look at people that pay $20,000 for water rate. The world needs to know this, you know. So we in a slavery in Jamaica, see. But anyway, we're done a move here. And the next thing we try to fight the way out of slavery. And more you try to fight over slavery, the more fight you get. You know what I mean? So this is Jamaica, real authentic Jamaica station. But we really cater about Jamaica. You know what I mean? We get well fight in a Jamaica, but we still love Jamaica. I try to look better for Jamaica. And me come to the test one day we have to leave Jamaica. What we go do? Can't turn you dead. Let's go.